Sit-in protests were held today across Bishnupur district yesterday to demand that the 5-9 Gorkha regiment presently deploying at Leimarang Wariching under the district not to be replaced by Assam Rifles. The agitation was staged in many places such as Leimarang Wariching, Irengbam, Kaino, Ngaikong Kuno, expressing strong objection against the decision of the government to remove the 5-9 Gorkha regiment and replace with Assam Rifles. Addressing the media at the sidelines of the sit-in protest held at Irengbam, Makamaning Legai, one of the protesters alleged that everyone knows the biased nature showcased by the Assam Rifles during the crisis. Amidst such a situation, the government deciding to replace the 5-9 Gorkha regiment presently deploying at Leimarang Wariching by Assam Rifles is very unfortunate, she added. There is a video and photo that shows Assam Rifles supports the armed miscreants. This force remains as mere spectators when armed miscreants vandalize houses and loot properties. We will feel unsafe if such bias secures personnel deployed to guard the peripheral areas. Until and unless normalcy returns, don't take away the 5-9 Gorkha regiment and replace it with Assam Rifles, she said. She also said that the 5-9 Gorkha regiment presently stationed at Leimarang Wariching used to carry out daily patrolling from Leimarang Wariching to Ngaikong Kuno, which made them feel safe all the time. Another individual, Myra Paibi, who took part in the sit-in protest at Kaino, also put up the same demand. She warned that if the government forcefully replaces the 5-9 Gorkha regiment with Assam Rifles from Leimarang Wariching, various forms of agitation will be launched. The government should take responsibility for any consequences, she added.